Welcome back, IP5. I hope you're doing great and staying safe and staying home. So I also hope you have been doing your homework so far and hope you're excited about today's class. Okay, so today we are continuing talking about Microsoft Excel and how to create your own accounts book. So today's class is more practical and we will practice it more rather than teaching you. And this is lesson number 15 together. Just a quick review. So what is cash flow? Cash flow is how much money came and how much is gone. So the traffic of money is in an account, okay? The money that come and go, the traffic of the money is that exactly. So this could be a sample of an account book, which shows the number, the week, for example, in your case, is the pocket money, snacks, food, drinks, toys, video games would be your expenses, and a summary of all of these topics. However, if you have more expenses that I did not think of, you can add more. So now let's get to the practical part. Let's open your own accounts book and let's open Excel and make our own spreadsheet. And you can type in your expenses and create charts for each month. So let's practice. Okay. So imagine we have this here now. So first of all, I will show you that we have 5 different months here. And you can write down 1, 2. So, and we have the same here. We can make it center. So this is number of the row, and this is number of the week. This is each week. How much pocket money did you have? Let's say first week you have 500 baht. Second week you have 200 baht. Third week you have 1,000. And fourth week you have 500. Let's say these were your pocket money for this month. In January, for example, this was the 4 weeks of January. So you see we are on Jan. And then we can talk about snacks. How much did you spend on snacks in the first week? Maybe you spent 350 baht on snacks, 100 baht on food, 20 baht on drinks, and nothing on toys or video games. So now let's say I want to see total, how much did I spend in this month? So what you have to do is equal sum. Before I do this, don't forget, you have to, if you spend money, you add minus. So you add minus 350. Minus 100. Minus 20. And equals with sum. And you can choose easy. Press enter. So this means that the leftover of your money is 30. So this was your total amount, 500. And then after you spend money, you have left 30 for week 1. Next one, let's say minus 50. Minus 50. Minus 25. Minus 25. Minus 25. Equals with sum. And let's see how much you spend for week 2. How much you have left. So this is how much you have left. Next we have week number 3. Let's say you spend more here. And again, let's see how much you spend for, how much you have left over. So for the 3rd week, you can see you have 400 left. And you just continue as we are doing. You can type in minus 100, minus 50, minus 100, minus 20, minus 50. And we do again. Sum. How much you have left is 180. Next, we want the total left over, which you can do is sum. Don't forget equals sum. So for January, we can see you have 635 baht left. So we can move on to February, March, April, and May. So it's quite the same process basically. You just copy this, take it here. You can copy this too, actually. And you just write down how much pocket money you have. 300, for example. 400, 600, 1,500. And then you write down the snack, how much that you spend on snacks. Maybe 100, 150, 100, 200. On food, maybe 60, 50, 70, 30. Drinks, 25, 30, 60, 50. Toys, maybe 50, 100, 150, 1,000. Video games, 500, 100, 500, 200. Next is equal sum as before. Oh, and yeah, don't forget to add the minus in each part. So minus 100, minus 150, minus 100, minus 200, minus 200, minus 30, minus 70, minus 50, minus 60, and so on. All right. You can edit it as you like. And then we go back to the sum, choose it, and we get this. So you can see here that it's minus because you spent over your pocket money. So you have 20 baht less. So you spend 20 baht extra. So you spend 320 instead. And let's take a look at how much left over you have. For this month is 130. Last month was 635. And yeah, basically that's what you can do. Just continue every month. And after that, you can also make a total of 5 months, which you can add your first month, you can add it. And you can tell how much you spend or how much you have left over. So first month was this one. This is second month. And then we can move on to the third month. And again, just do the sum. And you can do this to be faster. Leftover. Yes. Equal sum. 930. 954 for third month. Okay, so this is how you just continue all the months. And don't forget, you can create your own graphs. So for example, you can show how much you have left in each month. For example, we go here to insert, as you remember, click recommended chart, and we get the chart for each month, how much we had money left. Or we can go here, go to insert, and we can create a table. So you have to see which one makes sense, which one doesn't make sense. You have to think, be creative, think about it, and mainly create these counts at least for 5 months, and create this, the total left over, and maybe also you can create how much you spend each month and how much overall you spend in 5 months. So let's go to your homework. Your homework is to create the accounts book, use different sheets for each month, only 5 months, for 5 months only, please. And for each month, separate by week. So week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. And write how much you gain and how much you spend. So how much money you get, which is your pocket money, and how much you spend, and how much you have left over. So how much you spend, how much you have left over. This homework is due to 14th of October. So next week on Thursday. All right, that's all for today. Thank you, everyone. Stay home and stay safe. See you soon in next class. Bye.